In this video, I'm going to show you how you can shorten and customize your links with Bitly. If you have long URLs, you can shorten these to make them look cleaner and more professional. And you can do this all for free with Bitly. So let's jump into how you can shorten these. So one thing I'd recommend is using their free account. As with the free account, you'll get 50 custom backlinks, which I'm going to show you in a moment. You get 1,000 links and you can have unlimited link clicks too. So let's take a look at how we can actually do that. Now I've already got a free account which I've got linked to my Google, so what I'm going to do is log in now. Then once you're logged into the dashboard, the first thing you'll see is all your links appearing on the left-hand side here. And it'll give you some link analysis at the top too. So if you've got a really long URL, such as a YouTube video or site link that you want to shorten, the first thing you want to do is click onto the orange Create button. And it will then ask you to paste in your long URL. Now I've got a video about Facebook Messenger rooms, so what I'm going to do is have something that's going to be a little bit more descriptive for this video. So I'm going to copy the link and paste it here. And I can enter in a title. Then as you can see, it's automatically given me a shorter link. However, it's made up of a string of letters and numbers. But I might want something slightly more descriptive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize the back half. And these links all need to be unique. So if for any reason it has been taken already, when you click on to save, it will notify you. And most people will know the Bitly domain, so please don't worry about people being wary and not clicking onto this link. But I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then you can copy the link, which will then copy to your clipboard. Or you can share the link, and you can share that link with the likes of Twitter or Facebook. And once you're happy to, you can click on to save and come out. Then once you've shared your link, you can have a look at the analysis of where you're getting your links from. It'll show you how many in total that you're getting, and it'll give you an idea of the referrers and locations too. Now, one downfall that I have with the free Bitly account is the fact that if the destination URL changes for any reason, you can't actually edit it. However, in general, this is a great free tool that you can use to shorten your links. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.